Question number 8, 3 into 3 matrix, eigenvalues are given. What is the determinant for a plus 2i? So 3 cross 3, where this is the thing, a plus 2i, so we need to take it. We know that if the lambda is an eigenvalue of a, so lambda plus c is an eigenvalue of a plus ci. Okay, so here the eigenvalues are a 275, so we add 2i to this, so the new eigenvalue becomes lambda I plus 2, so I equal to 1 2 3. So the new eigenvalues are 2 plus 2 4, 7 plus 2 9, 5 plus 2 7. So determinant of a plus 2i is the product of the eigenvalues. 4 9s are 36 into 9, 360. Okay, and remember that here one very important thing we need to consider. So this is 4 into 63, 3 4s are 12, so 452. So here the answer is 252.